Attorney's office, how may I direct your call?
Hi, I got a message left for me by an Olivia yesterday about a piece of paperwork I need to come pick up.
An Olivia?
I believe that was her name. I heard it from my voicemail. That was the closest thing it sounded like. Like she worked the front desk. This is,
I don't have an Olivia in this office.
oh, it was kind of blurry. I'll have to listen to it again. But in any case, somebody did leave me a message there yesterday and the day before because I went in there and filed motions on my case. And apparently one of them that I left because I had a huge stack of paperwork, two different courthouses. One of the documents left was for the other courthouse, she's saying. So I was going to coordinate with her and come pick it up, as well as some other documents that apparently the prosecutor's office has mailed out to an address that they have. And I've got notice that something was mailed to me, but not what it is. A letter and a CD. If they want to provide that, I can come pick that up today. And lastly, I'm calling about exculpatory evidence that the prosecutor has access to and is not divulging. And I have a federal lawyer who's tracking all of this because I'm going to be filing a massive lawsuit because of all the violations of basically Bill of Rights, but so much more. So these are all things that I'm trying to coordinate today, miss. And how do you recommend I best go about this?
I am not sure who called you, so I'm not entirely sure what this is in reference to. Is this about a case or something I can look up?
Yeah, I have a case number.
Okay.
24AB-CR00176.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you give that to me one more time, a little bit slower?
Sure, I don't know how much is already known. That's 24AB-CR00176.
So this looks like this is a Franklin County case.
That is not my records at all. I have no contact with Franklin County. This is all St. Charles County.
You said 24AB?
That's what. Oh, look at this. I have 2411. I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's likely, that could right there be the issue. One of my copies has an AB, and the rest have it noted correctly, 2411.
Okay, so 2411-CR0.
3275. I have no idea how that happened. Interesting. That's correct on the other copies. Anyway.
There is an Olivia that works down in the circuit clerk's office. Is that who could have called you?
It must have been.
Okay, let me see if I can get you down to them
What?
because
Okay, I didn't mean to interrupt you. I'm sorry. I just want to confirm who I've called. I called a number from Google Maps for the St. Charles County Attorney's Office.
so this is the prosecuting attorney's office.
Okay.
But I think someone from downstairs called you. So it was this building, but not necessarily this office who called you.
Okay, that's fine, and I'm more than willing to talk to Olivia, but I'm recording this call, and it's going to be used as evidence of the prosecutor giving or withholding clear exculpatory evidence from not one but 7 different ring cameras in a cul-de-sac neighborhood, recording an event of a dog attacking me in my front yard when the prosecutors alleged that it had a ball in its mouth because that's what the owner told the police, and they went with it, thinking, this is Wentzville, we rule the roost, we control everything, this person's not going to fight back. And they just ran into somebody who's just not ever going to quit. And I reminded the police about the exculpatory evidence, and I have video of this myself from my own cell phone. They were so brazen and blatant, they just didn't care. So my point is, I'm giving the prosecutor, I'm scheduled to go to trial on Wednesday with a corrupt judge that's going to throw me in jail for a year for a Class A misdemeanor for shooting a dog that tried to attack me. So obviously I'm taking this very seriously. And the prosecutor isn't. They haven't responded to me. I've called them multiple times early on because the Wentzville police would not release the police camera footage that proved my innocence and proved a coordinated effort between the police and the friend that they have that owns the dog. His long-term homeowner, 30 years. And they conspired to bring these charges against me. Stole my gun, put me in jail without even a court hearing to go to. And didn't charge me until 10 days later. Detained me, wouldn't let me go into my house. Legally, sexually assaulted me in the prison. No cushion, full blast AC. These are considered like torture, war crime type stuff. I am not some powerless, unconnected, frustrated, uneducated nobody. I've actually been taking on judges for 10 years through a YouTube channel. And so I'm trying to give the prosecutor an opportunity to not be accused of committing legalized, serious crimes by withholding exculpatory evidence in a county where it's a good old boy network and everybody's on the same page. I'm trying to give the government an opportunity to right this wrong before it gets to the court level where I don't want it to go. The jury's going to hear that I didn't want it to go here. But it only has to go here because I'm being threatened with a year in jail next Wednesday. So I would like a response to that, and I'll be more than happy to go speak with Olivia, ma'am.
I'm just the receptionist here. I mean, I'm sorry all that happened to you.
Sure.
I will make the attorney be aware that you called.
Because they won't. The reason why, and I'm not cutting you off, please hold your thought and tell me, but they won't respond to me. I've spoken to them half a dozen times. I have this all recorded. Oh, we'll have them call you. We'll have them call you. These are the prosecutors listed on the case. And keep in mind, the court, and I filed all the motions reflect all of this information. And I'm putting it all on YouTube in the court of public opinion. And these prosecutors named on the case will not call me back because they will not give the Wentzville Police Department permission to release that footage to me, which exonerates me. So these are very serious charges. And once powers that be outside of the little county, once the powers go fed, now they don't have control of the little good old boy network, let's just keep problems small when they're small. So I understand you'll pass it along. I'm just telling you, man, because you're the only point of contact. That your word has the power to prevent all this, or it will just continue for years. I'm undefeated. Again, I've been doing this for 10 years. It's all documented. And I put all that information in the motions. If they'll just read it and go to the YouTube channel, they'll see. And if they want to fight and throw me in prison, that's fine. Like, my lifestyle is ready and willing to go. I have money. Like, you can't threaten me, coerce me, or bully me. I don't mind going to jail. So, yeah, I'm trying to pass this information along to them. And they won't respond to my calls. They haven't. This has started October 6th. And we're now July 10th. So yeah, please pass this along because they will not get it any other way. They won't respond to me at all. So yeah, I thank you for your very much patience and professional listening to me. I interrupted you and I apologize for that. I'm more than willing to listen to anything you have to say before you transfer me.
Oh, no, that's not a problem at all. No, I was just going to reiterate that, yeah, I will let the attorneys know. I'm sorry, I can't make them call you back. I'm sorry, all I can do is pass along information.
I couldn't appreciate your efforts more, and I know that they're limited. Okay.
But yeah, let me get you transferred down to Olivia, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Sorry. Olivia Collins is not available. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hello, Olivia. This is Joe Pierce. You left a message with me yesterday and the day before regarding a motion I left there that may have belonged to a different county. I realized the error that it was the case number, which should be 2411 and not 24AB. Anyway, I'll try to call you back and see if there's anything that needs to be done about this. I was thinking about coming into the prosecutor's office today anyway, so I might pick it up. I also might pick up some documents from there. So I actually have very important court business to conduct that I would love to do. And if you could give me a call back, maybe help me coordinate, and I could just come and take care of that. I appreciate your efforts. I'll give you my phone number just in case you don't have it again.